ThinkFour for parents. Parents find helping their children with higher revision daunting.
Why? Well, the subject detail is high and you need to know what you're talking about and you need to know how it all fits together.
Many assume that subjects have changed so much, they just cannot confidently talk to their kids about it. And so they don't.
But it matters. The research is very clear. Young people who get to explain and articulate at home what they have learned get a big benefit from it in terms of what they remember and what they can reapply in an exam.
This is where ThinkFour comes in. We connect you with what you need to know. We take the complicated parts of SQA Highers and unpack them in simple ways in 4-minute tutorials.
As a parent, find time to watch some. Perhaps choose a subject they're doing at Higher, or a topic you know they find difficult.
Get comfortable with the ideas presented in the tutorial. Then, when you're ready, and in a relaxed way, perhaps in the car or over a meal, talk to them about the topics and get them to explain to you what they understand.
If you get stuck, that's okay. It's normal. Go back to the tutorials, perhaps together, and watch them again. Taking time to keep talking and thinking. Don't give up. This will help them a lot.
When you both have it clear and you can agree on this, find another and start again.
ThinkFour is a free access social enterprise startup. We are a collaboration between expert teachers and an award-winning digital media company from Glasgow. We hope you find us useful.